Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games. So right here under my games and apps, you guys can go right there. Now this is using your Xbox Live Gold membership, so let's just scroll down to say Gold or memberships so you guys can see your stuff there. But let's just go right into Gold. Under here you guys will see 3 games up here. These are free right now, okay? So they're free for a limited time, so download them now. We can just go right into here as well to take a look at those 3 free games, and they're free for a limited time. So right now it's the time to download them. Hopefully you guys won't miss the chance. So right now we're gonna take a look at this game, for example. So let's just click right on it and then click on install. Now you guys do see the price there, right? Don't worry about it, it should say free. Now right here it does say with Xbox Live Gold, play this game or buy it to own. So don't worry about it, you guys can just install it and then play the game. Alright, so as long as you guys have your Xbox Live Gold, you guys can download this game for free. Let's just go back, and then we're gonna download the other one that just came out. So it's this guy as well. So once these guys are done, there's gonna be a whole new set of other games that you guys can download for free. Right now it's these guys. So let's just click on install. Do not have to click on buy to own because you guys do not have to buy this. It's free. So it's gonna be pending for now, and then we're gonna take a look at the size. However, I do know all these games are fairly small, nothing over 6 gigs, so it's not going to take up significant space right here on your Xbox. So, let's say you own this game. So yes, I did download this game before, so that's why it says I own it, but it's free right now, and you guys might have to verify some PayPal or credit card information just because it's your first time downloading it, and as long as it says free on the top, you guys are good to go. I'm going to hit install anyways. It's gonna say free as long as you guys have Xbox Live Gold membership, alright? So let's just go back, and as you know, Xbox Live Gold membership, you guys need that in order to play online anyways. Let's just go back, and here are the games. So the first one's only 1.96 gigs, which is nothing. So I'm just gonna pause that for now so we can see the size of the other ones, which I told you guys there's nothing over 6 gigs. So right now this one's 6.40. So again, that's nothing. I don't see any updates to come with it. So this is only gonna take a couple minutes to actually download the full game. We're gonna pause this one and we're gonna take a look at the very last one, which is right here, 4.20 gigs. So you guys can see they're fairly small, and I don't see any updates, because with other games I've seen updates that come in and they're 20-30 gigs and they're pretty big, but these games really small. So don't worry about the space that it's gonna take up. You guys can chill and just download them and play them right now that they're free. After these guys have expired, you guys are gonna see a whole new set of games which will be free here on Xbox Live. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.